Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant. Please close other Riot Games products before signing out problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to simply log out of the Riot client. Double-click on Riot client. If you can't find Riot client, right-click on Valorant and click Open File Location. Click on the UX folder. Double-click on Riot Client UX located here. In this way, the Riot client will open. After opening, click on the account icon in the upper right. Click Sign Out. In this way, we have logged out of the account. This was our first solution. But this solution is a temporary solution. If the solution worked, don't forget to like the video. We will move on to the second solution to completely resolve this error. Our second solution has two steps. Our first step is to clear Valorant's cache data. Press Win and R key. In the window that opens, we write app data and click OK. Click on the local folder. Go to the letter R and double-click on the Riot Games folder. We delete the Install Valorant, Riot Client and Valorant folders here. Don't worry, these files will be restored when we re-enter the game. Our second step is to delete Vanguard. We write Control Panel in the search section. Click on Uninstall a program. We find Riot Vanguard among our applications and right-click. Click Uninstall. We click Yes. As you can see, Riot Vanguard has been removed. Click on Valorant. Here, the Vanguard that we just deleted and the files we deleted in the first step are downloaded. After Vanguard is installed, we need to restart the computer once. After rebooting, we will not encounter this problem. And this was our second solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.